I am Hippocrates, the father of medicine, and my name has become synonymous with the ethical practice of medicine. I was born in 460 BC on the Greek island of Kos, and I lived until 370 BC. During my lifetime, I transformed the way people understood and practiced medicine, laying the groundwork for modern medical science. Before my time, many people believed that illnesses were caused by the whims of the gods or by supernatural forces. However, I challenged these ideas by suggesting that diseases had natural causes and could be treated through observation and reason. This was a revolutionary thought in the ancient world, and it marked the beginning of medicine as a rational science. One of my most important contributions was the development of the Hippocratic Oath, a set of ethical guidelines for physicians that emphasized the importance of doing no harm and maintaining patient confidentiality. Although the exact wording has evolved over the centuries, the spirit of the oath remains a cornerstone of medical ethics and is sworn by doctors to this day. In my writings, I emphasized the importance of understanding the patient as a whole rather than just treating specific symptoms. I believed that the body had its own natural ability to heal itself and that the role of the physician was to support this process. This approach is reflected in my famous saying, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food," which highlights the importance of diet and lifestyle in maintaining health. Interestingly, I also advocated for the careful observation of patients and the recording of their symptoms, which was a novel approach at the time. This practice of systematic observation and documentation became the foundation of clinical medicine, influencing how doctors approach diagnosis and treatment to this day. Another fascinating fact is that many of the medical practices attributed to me, such as the theory of the four humors, blood, phlegm, black bile, and yellow bile, shaped medical thinking for centuries. While these ideas have since been replaced by modern scientific understanding, they were a significant step forward in the development of medicine. My legacy as Hippocrates is one of curiosity, ethical integrity, and a commitment to understanding the human body. Although medical knowledge has advanced far beyond what was known in my time, the principles I championed continue to guide the practice of medicine. Through my work and teachings, I help to transform medicine into a profession dedicated to the well-being of all people, ensuring that my name would be remembered for generations to come. Thank you for listening to my story, and let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food.